Good morning, folks. Welcome back to another episode on Shop Class 101. Today we're going to put a new seat into Krusty Kate. We ordered one from the internets. It comes with armrests and a seat belt even, and we'll see if it's any better than the one that came in it here. Here's what we're working with. I think it's got some sort of garbage can liner seat cover here. Little rips. This thing's been used, but I think for what we paid for it, got a certainly fair deal on it. I was thinking a little more creature comfort might make the wife and kids a little more likely to operate this thing someday, so we'll see what we can't do with the new seat. This is what the box looks like. It was about $140 on the Rainforest River website. Got it shipped here in an appropriate amount of time and claims that it'll fit, so we'll see what we get into here. Well, here's how she came out of the box. I appreciate that there's a parts drawing, but no directions. I think they kind of know their clientele anyhow. So we'll see about getting the old one unbolted here in a minute. Step one, take the factory seat bar there and hold it up with the rubber snubber that we keep in the cab. Next, we're going to bring this seat up so we can access the bolts on the bottom here. We got our seat wedged up against our seat bar here, rubber snubber holding the two of them. We'll see if that holds up or comes back and whips me in the eye. I'm sure I'll get it all on video for you. We'll see what happens. Next thing we're going to do here is we're going to unbolt the 4 bolts that hold the seat brackets to our seat pan, and hopefully that should free it up. I bet this thing is for hanging the seat from the roof so you can work under the seat pan. Look at that. Just got to be 10% smarter than what you're working on, I guess. All right, we're going to take this rubber snubber down and get the seat and the seat bar down as well. Let's see if we can't get this thing out of here. Fancy seat bracket. Well, I guess I like that thing up in the air. Hey, there might be an owner's manual underneath the seat there. Brackets. Look at that. Owner's manual. We can probably unbolt that factory seat belt and try to use the one that came on the seat here. We'll see what happens. I think the challenge we're going to face here is getting the new seat brackets lined up. Supposed to be adjustable with the seat pan holes here. So we're going to flip the seat pan down and then put these brackets on from the top side. At least line up the holes and get some bolts started in them so that we can adjust the bottom of the new seat to try and fit it. One of the challenges that you run into anytime you buy a universal mounting kit for anything is that while it's universal, it doesn't mean it's going to universally work. You can see here, back hole lines up, front hole does not. Here's the old bracket in the mounting holes. So we're going to modify this new bracket here and see if we can make it work. Got our hole drilled out. Looks like it's going to work here. I'll drop a bolt in it and drill the other one and then test fit our seat. So we got all the holes drilled out and got the seat brackets mounted temporarily. I put a nut on the bottom of each of the front ones here just to kind of hold it in place. And then we're going to try and slide this seat in and see if our brackets are anywhere close. I went ahead and put a dab of blue Loctite on each one of the bolts, and I'm going to put a washer and a nut on each one here. We now have the seat slid in. We're going to go ahead and fasten our seat belt onto the seat here. Came with the supplied mounting bolts. Now we're going to put the armrests on, see if a big fella like me can fit with the armrests in there. Here you can see I got it set up pretty close to how I want it. I'm going to go ahead and sit in it here and check the fit before I tighten all the bolts down. I would say that's fairly comfortable. Armrests clear the seat bar, which is nice. I think it'll work out just fine. Well, the new seat's all installed and seems to work just fine. I hope that you liked what you saw here today, and if it's something that you want to try, go ahead and try it. And if there's any other projects that you would like to see, make sure to drop them down in the comment section below. I appreciate you watching, and as always, have a fun time, and if you wouldn't mind, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.